Lwa yuara neo tumano Karamoja keza gia sai kama Amotokan nuda Ebwokitos Atotole. Etakantosi no akalo na President Museveni. Aita nanga ichweyo na ada Atotole otomna rina kolango acholi nepeka Karamoja.
On the operation against charcoal burning, we have so far impounded in Moroto here 6 trucks of charcoal. They are in our yard there. And of course, we shall charge the owners of that of charcoal with the charge which you can prefer from the NEMA.
Arada itolo mute kisililo etunga ichoto mano Karamoja kizda Ebwokitos au misho itinada itananga ichwe na Atotole nara itunga lepo nene jera tare gangitore kali ya kech.
There was an alternative because the people also, this is now a living. They have known that compared we are living life. So you go and sell a smaller sack of charcoal like this, it's about 15,000. Now this 15,000 is a lot for Karamoja. And they buy now even animals out of this charcoal. So they have known now the use of charcoal that we burn and then we sell. Then from the selling, we can buy other things. We can even buy a goat. We can benefit the family.
We are seeing charcoal as a what cake business. In Karamoja, a bag is sold at 20,000, but outside Kampala it's almost 100,000. So how will you earn such a viable project in terms of money? Carbon had enacted some kind of an audience, and he said now he gave again a kind of a compromise that someone carrying 3 bags cannot be arrested, but a bit by bit makes a bundle. But in Karamoja, sincerely speaking, I tried myself and I was told, do you have anything to give me if you are avoiding me from cutting this tree?
Konyede cha kesi de yala masebe joko no inuda isomate President anuda yuar ikitoludo Karamoja.
Are aware there is a lot of climate change related catastrophes here in Karamoja and in the entire northern Uganda. And we've been grappling with the challenge of this charcoal burning. Now, some communities, of course, within Karamoja, and I believe in the entire northern Uganda, have been doing charcoal burning, but so at a subsistence kind of level. But then there comes a group recently, in the recent past, that started charcoal burning in large scale, what I can now call commercialized. And this is depleting the environment, causing the kind of prolonged droughts. Well, while His Excellency has come up with the ban, of course, the challenge, as usual, is enforcement of this ban. And of course, the corruption that is amongst us Ugandans, including the law enforcement agencies.
The thing that has helped Amudat to conserve the vegetation is the cultural norms. The people of Amudat or the Pokot have always had their ways of taming the errant people in the community who would go destroying or cutting trees indiscriminately. And by these norms, the people knew that as soon as you cut a tree, especially these big trees, the elders will summon you. You will have to kill a bull as a way of saying sorry. Then the elders will forgive you. So such kind of measures continuously trickled into generations and generations. And people grew up knowing that you are not supposed to cut trees anyhowly.
Godfred Eyoku, TV East, Karamoja.